Hey everybody, welcome to Rusty's Off-Road Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to install these cool LED marker lights on your 3rd Gen 4Runner. Let's get started. On today's episode, I welcome Cameron and our new shop dog Finley. Hello fellas. We picked up a 6-pack of these LED clearance lights from Tractor Supply for 25 bucks. Cameron begins by measuring to the center of the panel and then 2 inches from each side. Yes, it's broken, and yes, it will get fixed. Cameron begins using a 3/16 drill bit to pre-drill the holes for the lights. Then we swap that out for a step-down bit. It goes up to 3/4 of an inch in order to fit our 3/4 inch grommets and our LED lights. Time to install the grommets. And now the lights. We begin the electrical by extending the factory wires using 18 gauge wire and butt connectors. Yes, I said butt connector. We're daisy chaining the 3 wires coming from the LED lights to the main 18 gauge wire feeding the factory using quick splice connectors for 18 to 14 gauge wire. After all the wires have been connected, Cameron begins installing the 1/2 inch split loom plastic cover. A pair of scissors would have worked a little bit better than wire crimpers.
Go!
Once the split wire loom is complete and on the wires, we start to electrical tape the ends as well as the connectors to help protect and waterproof. Now we need to drill a hole to install a couple zip ties to hold it up behind the panel. Time for a quick test. Yep. Now with the other side complete and the bumper back on, it looks fantastic. Thanks, nice work fellas.